Why you're getting ClickBank clicks on your ads, on your landing pages, but zero sales, and how to fix it in 2026. Now, in this short video, it's going to be less than 5 minutes. I'm going to review to you exactly, step by step, how you can have sustainable results with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner. Now, maybe you have tried different courses, different programs, and you have failed. And you are questioning how some people can get results and sales online, but you can't. And the main reason is because, first of all, maybe, just maybe, you are targeting the wrong type of audience. You see, in affiliate marketing, in internet marketing, it's all about human psychology on a deeper level. Okay, I know every guru on ClickBank and YouTube is telling you about AI software, AI this, AI that. If this would be really true, ask yourself, don't you think AI would figure out every single thing and you wouldn't need human beings at all in this world, right? And it's not true. It's BS. The real truth is that human beings are buying those affiliate products that you are promoting. Weight loss products, Nutra, dating products, solar products, I don't know, insurance, car insurance. All these products, is safe to say, right, that human beings are the ones who are buying those products. True? The reason why I'm saying this is because if you're watching this video and if you want to have ClickBank sales, you have to understand you need to have the right message to the market match. Okay, meaning you need to have the right audience with the right type of product. So basically, you are human product connector. Okay, this is all you have to do: connect people with the products that solve their pains and problems. In 2026, it's safe to say, you can go and Google it. Don't have to believe me. Google it right now as you watch my YouTube video. There are 14 billion searches every single day, billion searches on Google ads, on Google keyword. People are looking for how to heal my diabetes, how to lose weight before summer, how to find dates in dating and relationship niche, how to manifest wealth, love, happiness, right? All these things human beings are searching for. And my friend, as you watch this video right now, don't you agree with me that if you have the right type of audience with the right type of message to the market match, you can at least make 100 to 300 US dollars profit per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner without having to make any videos, without having to show your face on video camera. All you have to do is to have the right landing page or website or blog page or quiz funnel and send traffic to the right offer that will convert and get you cash in your bank account. We call it cash cow ATM machine, right? Because once you have the right offer or the product, let's call it, and you have audience with a high enough demand, pain and problems they're dealing with, they're searching for instant solution. And once you connect them, you can of course get great results. So when I work with my clients one-on-one over the Zoom call, with my students, okay, you can see my YouTube. I always share that. I always tell them and share them with them. It's all about human emotional states and human psychology on a deeper emotional level. And that's, my friend, how you can get results in 2026. Not by some guru ClickBank courses, okay, with AI, I don't know, magic pill. No. If you're serious, if you're someone who is action taker, if you have 30 minutes to 1 hour per day, yes, you can do this. Yes, you do have to invest some money in yourself. It's not free. If you're looking for freebies, I can tell you, you are going to lose so much time and money long term that it's unbelievable. Why? Because I'm speaking from personal experience. If I can go back 10 years or 5 years now, I would pay 10,000 euros or $10,000 to someone to teach me one-on-one how to do it, so I don't have to waste months. I don't have to make the same mistakes they did that cost me more time and even more money trying to save money upfront. It doesn't work that way. Okay? In 2026, if you want faster results, if you're smart, like smart people do, they invest some money in themselves, in someone to help them one-on-one, step by step, to get actual results. All right? If you want results, yes, it's all doable. It's still possible to make money online in 2026, but all you have to do is have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way, but actually showing you the avoidable mistakes, how to fix it, how to do it the right way. Because truth be told, when it's 11 p.m. in your country and your ad account gets disabled or your ad gets rejected, you think AI is going to help you, or someone who is experienced marketer who knows how human psychology works on a deeper emotional level and how to test exact audiences, right? So in 2026, you need someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, by hand-holding you and giving you the right templates, structure, and criteria of markets, so you can actually move forward and fast forward yourself to get better results and have the real life leverage right now. So as you watch this video, there's my personal cell phone number, there's my WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, email, and Instagram. I travel to over 70 countries right now, 70 countries, okay? Thanks to ClickBank affiliate marketing, thanks to promoting different CPA offers online. I do this full time, not to brag, but to show you what life is possible once you take action, once you have someone who can help you step by step and hand holding you along the way